Back in 2022, Apple launched Emergency SOS via satellite with the iPhone 14, a service that allowed you to contact emergency services in the event that you had your phone with you but no Wi-Fi or cell signal. A year later, it added roadside assistance via satellite for those times when you're stranded by the side of the road without a cell signal. And in iOS 18, Apple continues adding to its satellite offerings with messages via satellite. And I was able to get a demo of the new service while at WWDC. Here's what you need to know. With messages via satellite, you'll be able to send text-based iMessage and SMS messages with tapbacks and emoji, even when you're completely off the grid. To get started, you'll see a notification on your lock screen that lets you know that messages via satellite is available. You can tap on that notification to go into it, or you can tap on the prompt that appears in the dynamic island when opening the Messages app when you're off the grid, or alternatively, you can choose the satellite option in Settings and Control Center when Wi-Fi and cellular are unavailable. Once launched, you'll see this new connection interface that guides you through connecting to one of the satellites that are moving at 15,000 miles per hour, 800 miles above the planet. And once connected, you're able to simply send messages to anyone you'd like. The dynamic island will keep you updated on your connection status and will even continue to guide you in the direction you should be facing as the satellites move. Now, a couple of notes here. This only works for messaging with another person over iMessage or SMS, so no group messaging. Also, I mentioned text, tapbacks, and emoji are supported, but things like images, videos, memoji, Animoji, Genmoji, and stickers are not. As you'd expect, iMessages are end-to-end encrypted for user privacy, and while you can receive iMessages while off the grid, for any SMS conversations that are not sent by your emergency contacts or members of your iCloud family, you'll need to initiate those conversations in order to prevent network congestion from SMS promotional messages and spam. And of course, in order to check if you've received any messages, you will need to connect to the satellite. And that's messages via satellite, joining Emergency SOS, Roadside Assistance, and Find My via satellite in iOS 18 as part of Apple's free trial of satellite services on iPhone 14 and later. Next, you should check out my 10 favorite AI-related announcements that Apple made at WWDC. I just dropped that video, and you can check it out here. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.